Hello friends, my name is Kosopali. Today we are speaking about types of adverse event. Types of adverse event: healthcare related adverse event. These event emphasizes the wide range of incident that can occur during the healthcare delivery, clinical trial, manufacturing process, environmental exposures, and the physiological and the behavior of the treatment. Medication errors are the one of the most common adverse event of the healthcare setting. Medication errors are the prescribing, the dispensing, the administrating of the drugs can leads to the harmful hmm, outcome of the patient. Infection acquired in the healthcare setting such as surgical sites infection and the bloodstream infections also poses the significant risk the patient safety falls. The healthcare facilities can result to the injections while the surgical complications, the allergic reactions to the medications can leads to the serious health issues can leads to the serious health issues. The clinical trial serious adverse event SAE are the events that result in the death, hospitalized, or the significant disability during the trial. Adverse adverse drug reaction ADRS can can range for the mild service ultimate response to the drug or normal doses. Withdrawal system may occur when the patient discontinues the drug have become dispense the drug during a trial. Manufacturing and the product related adverse event can be includes the product recalls due to the safety of devices failure leading to the patient's harm and the quality control issues. Comparing the product safety environment adverse event involves harmful exposures and horizontal substances causing health problems and pollution related illness from the environmental pollution. The behavior of adverse event may manifest the adverse event of the mental health for pre-existing conditions due to the medications or the therapies of the incident related to the mental health care. The treatment leads to the safety of behaviors. System of the organization failure such as the communication breakdowns, the protocol duration can also the contributes the adverse event in the healthcare clinical research and the manufacturing industries. In the manufacturing clinical research and the manufacturing industries, understanding these types of adverse event in the critical improving the safety quality in the various sectors categories and identify these This event, the organization of the implement better preventions measurements measures, and ultimately improve the patient towards the safety and the more efficiency healthcare system for the benefits of all of benefits of all. Thank you so much.